Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to schedule a Lyft ride in advance. So first, open the Lyft app and sign in using your login details. After that, enter your destination and look for the option to schedule a ride. Then choose the date and pickup time you want. After that, enter or confirm your pickup location and your destination. Then review the available ride options, estimated price, and scheduling details. You need to make sure everything is correct before confirming the scheduled ride. And once the ride is booked, you can check the app for your upcoming ride and any updates related to it. Keep in mind that scheduled ride availability can depend on your location and the type of ride you're requesting. So that was how to schedule a Lyft ride in advance. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.